locks of silk so pale and mild. You soak them soft with salt and thyme. 10 minutes in warm water's grace. No bitter note, just tender space. 2 sausages thin sliced with care. Their quiet spice fills up the air. Layer them with tofu white. A simple stack of love and light. Oh, steam it 6 minutes, no more, no less. Tenderness is the secret, I confess. No oil, no fire, just vapor's kiss. And suddenly, nourishment like this. Then you and dream a feast so bright. Shrimp like stars, broccoli green and light. Grandma smiles, the baby's fed. This is how you love the ones you've led. Halfway through you lift the lid. Sprinkle shrimp, then greens amid. Don't mix them, let them keep their voice. One brings the seed, one brings the choice. 3 more minutes, steam will weave ocean sweetness. Garden leaf, a dash of soy. A golden oil, green onions dancing. Final toil. They chase crunch, they crave the bowl, but miss the strength in gentle hold. This dish won't shout, it softly stays and feeds your soul for all your days. Oh, steam it with patience, steam it with grace. This humble plate holds time and space for tired hearts and growing hands. You build a world with spoons and pans. Tell you a miracle, bright and deep. While others sleep, you softly keep the art of care in vapors rise, and feed the future through their eyes. 别急着，下过盐水温好10分钟。静默都谁悄悄走水分，紧紧握切片，要倾向对孩子说。香肠2条薄薄切好，香肠藏在软嫩中间，绕蛋打散和加温水调，撇去浮沫裁剪，云朵笑。蒸一碗柔软的爱，不用油不用煎炸的坏蛋腌如云，豆腐丝海鲜在心间，谁还会说菜太淡？十元举出满盘，精彩吓人跳，西兰花绿的怪老人笑，说好笑话孩子摆3碗还含再来。西兰花翠绿的像春天，摆在两侧，不混不乱，蒸3种纤维全释放。生抽1圈，花生要点葱花，一撒盐汁翻片6分钟火，刚好定型，多1秒老，少1秒咸。你说这菜简单到笑，可谁懂那6分钟的秒表，火候温柔，爱在不泡一锅茶具，把价围牢。记得安心依赖，蛋白高脂肪低脂的健康才有未来。10元煮出3代开怀，无奸无诈是最好的安排。厨房是你爱的舞台，这味道传下去还在心